Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Microsoft Edge offers an efficiency mode that can enhance your browsing performance. Whether you're on a low-powered device or simply want to conserve resources, this feature can make a noticeable difference. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on or off the efficiency mode. If you're looking to optimize your browsing experience and save some precious system resources, you're in the right place. Before we get started, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To enable efficiency mode on Edge, use the following steps. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the Settings and More 3 dots button. Click on Settings. Click on System and Performance. Turn on or off efficiency mode. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel for more informative tech tutorials. Stay connected and never miss out on our latest content.